Hi guys, this is Agota from Rose Gold and I would like to show you some different ways how to decorate your own roll-on bottles. Are you ready? Let's do this! Today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful bottle with decoupage technique. Okay, first let's see what you need for this project. You need to coat your clear bottle with primer in order to use the decoupage glue on it, otherwise the pattern of the napkin won't be clear. You can use either an acrylic primer or, as I prefer, homemade chalk paint. If you want to know how to make the chalk paint, you can find a link to a video in the description with the recipe and instructions. Now the fun part, time to choose the design for your artwork. I'm gonna go for these ladies. To prepare the design, you need to peel off the first layer of the napkin with the pattern on it and cut out the pieces you want to put on your bottle. Here is a little tip. Tear the edges of your pictures. Torn edges lay a little flatter and blend a bit better. Now this is done. I will do the rest of them later. It's time to glue the picture on the bottle. I am using decoupage varnish and glue, but you can also use Mod Podge instead. So I'm just gonna cover the bottle with glue. You don't need to cover the whole bottle, just the area where the picture will go. Then gently place the picture on the bottle. Like this. Smooth it out with your brush and cover it with a thin layer of glue. Be careful, don't tear the picture. If you do tear it, don't worry, you can try to push it back with your brush. Oops! As you can see, I tore the top of this chair, but with a little care, I can push it back to its place. Okay, a little bit of glue here, and there we go. The drying time depends on what kind of Mod Podge you are using. Normally you need to wait 24 hours. Finished. Okay, now I will wait until it's dried. I put a hook in the bottle so I can hang it on my dryer rack. If you don't have a hook, check out my art and craft supplies video for bottle art. It has some tips on how to make your own hooks. Okay, my bottle is dried, but I don't like the white background. So I'm gonna paint over it with silver acrylic paint. It doesn't take much paint, so I'm just gonna use the paint from the cap. Okay, I'm done. We just have to wait until it's dried. Now it's dried, it's time to seal it. Sealing is optional, but I recommend you do it. This way you protect your artwork from any damage that oil can do and from general wear and tear. To get a nice, durable and transparent seal, I have found gel polish from Crystal Nails to be most effective. I need my lamp for cured gel. They cost about 15 bucks and are well worth it if you plan to make more than a few bottles. Instead of just brushing the surface, I pour a bit of gel on the bottle and smooth it out. Okay, it's fully covered. And now I'm gonna cure it for 3 minutes. And it's done, nice and shiny. It's cute and easy way to decorate our bottles. I choose a black obsidian gemstone roller for this bottle. I like the deep black color of this gemstone. So this is the bottle that I walked you through. And now let's see the other bottles. This is New York. This one is Rome. And this one is London. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Also check out my Etsy shop, you can find there these bottles and more. Send us a picture if you create one of these, we love seeing your creativity. If you use Instagram, please use the hashtag rosegoilddiy and it will show up on our page. Thanks for watching, happy crafting!